Hello, Citroen Picasso or Grand Picasso Handbrake, not working, button broken. Now we'll try remove it for a couple minutes. Removing plastic trim, don't need any tool. And this button broken. Here are the two little pins. Just press both of them and pull button. See? Button broken completely. That's it. Now we have to remove connector. And there's a new button. Fit same place, and trim cover. That's it. We will check now. Here, remove it. On. Remove it. That's it. All working fine. Thank you for watching. For this new button, I will leave in description link to Amazon or eBay. Thank you.